Welcome to Wheelz, your ultimate gateway to mastering the art of driving. Whether you're eager to learn in a manual or automatic vehicle, we've got you covered. Our professional DVSA-registered and DBS-checked male and female instructors are ready to guide you every step of the way. We pride ourselves on providing a learning environment that's not just patient and professional, but truly enjoyable. To ensure you feel comfortable and confident, we offer personalized one-to-one driving tuition tailored to your needs. Our mission is to inspire you to command the roads with confidence. And the best part? We come to you. With our door-to-door service, your convenience is our priority. Have you got queries or concerns? Our customer helpline is ready and waiting to assist you 5 days a week. Don't let the cost of driving lessons hold you back. Check out our block booking discounts to save money while learning with us. Join the Wheelz family and gear up to pass your driving test with flying colours. Get started today with a great deal. Just give us a call at 0333 444 1064 or drop us an email at info@4wheels.co.uk. The open road awaits, and we're excited to start this journey with you.